Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm using one of these chalkboards from Dollar Tree as well as some of their adhesive gems and some scrapbook paper from Temu. I took the gems and I placed them around the border of the frame on the front of the chalkboard and then painted all of that except for the chalkboard area with plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I then take the scrapbook paper, and it's two different images, so I cut that in half and then trim it down to fit within that frame. And I'm making two of those, so I do use both of those images. Once I have them trimmed down, I apply Mod Podge to the back of the scrapbook paper and then place it within the frame. I use my heat tool to dry that, and then I also am taking some parchment paper and smoothing it out with that, making sure to get in all of those edges. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.